Hi guys, in this video I will be showing you how you can create deep thinking effect on Capcut PC. So select your video you want to edit and select the part you want to edit. For instance, I select this part and just going to click the clip and freeze the clip. So here's like this is frame freeze or frame, and just going to add effect. Select this quick match effect and forward effect. So just click add this for the duration. So here we go. Okay, it's very simple. Deep thinking effect on Capcut PC. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you.